In this video we focus on the detection and the related auto-fix of possible geometrical issues that can be encountered during an aircraft generation process in JPAD Modeler. First, the assigned desired rotation angle and the landing gear compression factor can lead to an unfeasible landing gear design, which may provide for some component penetrations, impossible retraction, inadequate engine clearance, negative or null leg length. This issue may involve either the main leg length or the track width of the wheels. To solve this issue, an iterative adjustment process of both main leg length and of the wheel track values has been implemented to always ensure compliance with installation, operational, and dimensional constraints. Second, in the case of a cabin layout that may not fit to the statistically defined fuselage dimensions, a sequence of adjustments will be carried out on the fuselage diameter and on each fuselage trunk to ensure an adequate aisles width and to enforce no penetrations between the cabin and the fuselage outlines. Finally, in the case one or more lifting surface movables should provide for other component penetrations, inner-outer section inversion, or overlapping with other movables, JPAD Modeler may apply some corrections to the statistically defined movables parameters to always ensure a geometrical consistency. To simulate a case of unfeasible configuration, let's assume a very high number of passengers, and let's click the Generate button. At the end of the process, JPAD Modeler will inform the user of all detected geometrical issues, asking if the related automatic fix procedure must be carried out, or not. If we click No, no further adjustments will be applied, and the aircraft shape will be left as it came right out of the generation process. Otherwise, if we click Yes, JPAD Modeler will start the auto-fix procedure, leading every time to a feasible aircraft model.